Good morning. So we left the campground at 5 a.m. and drove back to Kalispell and got some diesel. It is 5:23 right now. But we are driving to Sandpoint, Idaho now on Highway 2. Decided not to do the lake drive to the west of here, right? Because I kind of potentially can get home today. We'll see how that goes. I heard the dandelions are knee-high, so I'm gonna be really busy. But I've already saw 3 deer just driving to the gas station from the campground, and it's like 10 miles. One of them was on the campground road getting out of the campground. For some reason the cell service is slow here. Like, I can't get the maps to load. So I might have to pull over. I think I need to do it on my phone for some reason. I don't know what's going on. This is Kalispell. I don't know what's going on here, but it looks like I need to pull over because I am not getting Google Maps to work. So the cell phone service in this town just sucks. I don't know why. I mean, it's in the morning, no one's on their phones. So I think we're gonna pull over in this office park here and reset the phone, see if we can get it to work. Pain in the butt this town is. Crappy parking lot. Look how it's not even flat. Look at their drains. Jeez. Grade much here? Alright, we're gonna stop right here. Last thing I need is a ticket for using my phone. I'm gonna pause this. Alright, finally got the phone working. So I don't know what's up with their towers here. Something's conflicting with the phone, I think, because I have to reset it to get the maps to work. It's like freezing.
Take the next left onto 4 Mile Drive.
But 174 miles to Sandpoint, Idaho. All on the highway. 3 hours, it says.
Take the next right onto US 93 93 south.
I didn't eat breakfast yet. I had pizza last night and an ice cream.
Continue on US 93 south for half a mile.
I think it's better to wait until I'm hungry. The pizza at the campground was good. They had garlic crust. Garlic dough, I should say, not crust. So when you eat the crust, it tastes like garlic. So she's wanted me to turn, but I want to drive through town to show you what it looks like.
Turn right onto North Meridian Road.
So we're going to keep going straight. Stoplights are crazy though. There's no cars out. Oh wow, that's a fancy car wash I just passed. I need to grab a tea when I stop to do some
Turn right onto North Meridian Road.
No, thank you. I don't want to. I want to go past the Walmart to see how big it is.
Continue on North Meridian Road for 1 mile.
Even though you can't park there anymore.
Continue on Sunset Boulevard for half a mile.
So back by the Cabela's outpost, that's definitely their shopping area, it looks like. Because I don't see...
Sharp right onto West Arizona Street.
I don't see any other major shopping areas, it looks like. I think I'm on a residential...
Sharp right onto West Arizona Street. Then turn left onto 5th Avenue West North.
Neighborhood street, maybe. Like I'm getting out of the business area, it looks like.
1,000 feet. Turn right onto West Wyoming Street.
So I wonder if the Walmart is to my right.
Take the next right onto West Wyoming Street.
But we will turn here and find out. Oh my gosh. Sharp turn.
In a quarter mile, turn left onto 7th Avenue West North.
So I asked the guy at the campground how cold it gets. Basically I asked him, is it below freezing all the time in the winter? He said, no, it gets above freezing during the day. You know, if it's not always below freezing during the winter, during the day. Now when the cold fronts come through, yeah, it's definitely cold. Like, you know, it might be minus 25. Or, you know, minus 10. Or even 0, you know, a lot. But I guess what I was wondering is it always freezing? And it's not. Oh, this is kind of neat. These tree-lined street here.
Take the next left onto 7th Avenue West North.
Oh my gosh, so the house back there, they had a shed out back. They had 4 snow shovels hanging on the shed. Wow. That's some serious snow they must get. Have that many snow shovels. Huh. There's a trailer set up in there.
Turn right onto West Idaho Street.
See, I wish all these places that banned RV parking. So like here, for example, there's a fairgrounds. I wish they would set up camping at the fairgrounds because there's plenty of parking. And even if it was like $10, I would pay $10 for dry camping. No amenities. And then they can hire, someone to clean it if they have to clean. They can hire someone, or they can hire a guard. I don't know. We don't need a guard, but if they feel like we can, yeah. I just wish they would do that. I don't know how they would do it, I guess. There's a horse track there.
Take the next right onto West Idaho Street.
So when I left the KOA, there was a big RV. They must not have been able to find a place to park. So they're just parked in the KOA entrance in the driveway, blocking the driveway. That's where they spent the night.
For 136 miles.
I never thought of doing that. That's pretty smart. Because then you just say, well, I was thinking of staying here in the morning if anyone says anything. Then you ask, how much they cost. And then you just say, oh, that's too much, and leave. I mean, what are they going to do? Genius, I think. Big old X on there. Wow, I don't think they have diesel. Oh, they do. They have diesel. I almost went to that one. Here's the McDonald's. So I don't know where the Walmart is. I must have missed it. Unless it's out here yet. Oh, there are malls out here. I don't know how big it is. It just said Gateway West. Fat Boys. It's Fat Boys. It's a restaurant. Libby, 87 miles. Ah, road work ahead. Awesome. Well, I'm going to actually end that video, and we're going to start a new one.